Hi friends, welcome in virtual class subject English. My English course book standard 10th. I am Mr. Virat Saskar working in Sri Mahalakshmi Vidyalaya Umraj number 1 Junnar Pune. Today we are going to learn a poem Teenager's Prayer. Unit number 1, poem number 1. The name of the poem is Teenager's Prayer. A Teenager's Prayer is a poem written by J. Morse. The title of the poem is very simple and straight. The title gives the readers clear idea of what the poem is about. The central idea of the poem is a teenager expressing his thoughts about the decision he wants to make for leading successful life. He prays to God to help him to lead the best life. Teenager's prayer. We will learn stanza wise explanation and new words. Stanza number first. Each day brings new beginnings. Decision I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. Look at the explanation of the first stanza. In the first stanza, the teenager thinks about his burden of making choice. Each day brings a new beginning along with it. So, at the beginning of each day, the speaker has to make his own decision. There are different paths lying before him, but to choose the road on which to travel is solely his responsibility. Then, stanza number second. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Look at new words. Darken. Darken means evil. Then next word distress. Distress means great worry and strain. Then we will see the explanation of the second stanza. Look at the explanation. In the second stanza, the poet says that from those different roads lying before him, the speaker has to make the decision about choosing the right path of life. Lying before him, he wants to choose the road that leads to great success, or he should travel down the path which leads to great worry and strain. This is the explanation of the second stanza. We will learn stanza number 3. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. In the third stanza, there are some new words. Might. Might means power or strength. Then we will see the explanation of the third stanza. In the third stanza, the teenager directly addresses the power of God. He prays to the God to open up his eyes. With the help of it, he will see clearly he also prays to God to help him to stand for what is right and wrong. He prays to the God to bring out the best in him. This is the explanation of stanza number 3. Then stanza number 4. Look at fourth stanza. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptation comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. In the first stanza, the new words temptation, something that tempts, or wrong wish, or greed. Explanation of the fourth stanza. In the fourth stanza, the teenager goes on to seek Almighty God's help, not to make able him to say no when he is faced with the situations, and may overcome by a strong wish to do something that tempts, or wrong wish, or greed. The teenager also prays for God's blessing so that teenager might keep his body fit and clean to face each day's challenges of life. Then the last stanza, stanza number 5. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next. Written by J. Morse. In the last stanza, the new word teenage years. 13 to 19 years. Then look at the explanation of last stanza. In the last stanza, the teenager concludes that by the time his teenage are over, and promise to Almighty God to cherish the teenage years under the guidance of Him called God was the best. This is the explanation of the last stanza. Then we will see a short मराठी सारांश. किशोरवयीन बालकाची प्रार्थना. प्रस्तुत कवितेमध्ये कवी जे. मोर्स किशोरवयीन बालकाच्या प्रार्थना गीतातून किशोरवयीन बालकाच्या जीवनात उगवणारा प्रत्येक दिवस हा नव्या गोष्टींची संधी घेऊन येत असतो. त्यातील कोणत्या नवीन गोष्टीने दिवसाची सुरुवात करायची याचा निर्णय मलाच घ्यायचा आहे. भविष्यात मला ज्या मार्गाने जायचे आहे तो मार्ग सर्वस्वी मलाच निवडायचा आहे. माझ्या समोर अनेक चांगले आणि वाईट मार्ग आहेत. त्यातील यशाकडे घेऊन जाणाऱ्या मार्गाची मला निवड करावी लागणार आहे, किंवा ज्या मार्गात मानसिक ताणतणाव, काळजी आहे अशा मार्गाने मला जावे लागेल. किशोरवयीन बालक आपल्या प्रिय परमेश्वराकडे प्रार्थना करत आहे. हे परमेश्वरा, माझे डोळे उघड. योग्य, बरोबर, चांगल्या गोष्टी माझ्यामध्ये आहेत. त्या गोष्टी बाहेर येऊ दे. यासाठी मला मदत कर. हे परमेश्वरा, जेव्हा जेव्हा एखादे प्रलोभन माझ्या मार्गात येईल त्या प्रलोभनांना नाही म्हणायला मला मदत कर, जेणेकरून माझे शरीर भविष्यात प्रत्येक गोष्टीसाठी स्वच्छ व तंदुरुस्त राहील. हे परमेश्वरा, जेव्हा माझे किशोरवय संपेल तेव्हा तुझ्यासोबत चालत असताना मी माझे आयुष्य सर्वोत्तम पद्धतीने जगलेलं असेल, अशी प्रार्थना किशोरवयीन बालक देवाकडे करत आहे. Then we will learn appreciation of the poem. The name of the poem is Teenager's Prayer. Look at the first point, title. Title of the poem is Teenager's Prayer. The next, poet. The name of the poet is James. Then rhyme scheme. The rhyme scheme of the poem is A, B, C, B. Then figure of speech. The figure of speech is apostrophe or apostrophe, alliteration and inversion. Then last point, the theme or the central idea. The theme of the poem is a teenager expressing his thoughts about the decision he wants to make for leading successful life. He prays to God to help him to lead the best life. Thanks for watching me.